ended up applying my passion with film, just however I could with the car business. The most challenging part is just keeping it fresh. I mean, it's an ongoing thing, and being dealers, we aren't a journalistic publication. We do sell these cars. We have a lot of people requesting us to review all different types of brands that we don't sell, and we have to remind them it really doesn't make sense for us to do that right now. But at the same time, we have to keep them interesting enough to keep people's attention, to keep them coming back. But at the same time, we can't really be unbiased, because we have to show them in the best light that we can. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense to do them. But we found that entertainment is always a positive thing, and people enjoy watching it, I think, because of that.